everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check the ping of your current Wi-Fi or your internet speed using CMD. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the command promote and run it as administrator on your device. There are multiple ways to open the CMD. You can do it by any way. And here, you need to write ping with a space and write google.com. Once you do that and hit enter, it is taking some time to complete some processes, and here you can see the reply has been generated, and you can see the multiple details that have been generated. Now here you can see the approximate round trip. Here you can see the current ping of your current network, which is the minimum is 34 ms, the maximum is 52 ms, and average is 42 ms. So by this matter you can easily check the ping of your current network. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.